Hey there, financial enthusiasts. If you're looking to streamline your money transfers between Zelle and Betterment, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to use Zelle with Betterment in a simple, step-by-step way. Whether you're new to investing or just want to make your banking smoother, this guide will get you up and running quickly. First off, let's quickly cover the basics. Zelle is a fast and secure way to send and receive money directly from your bank account, often in minutes. Betterment, on the other hand, is a popular online platform for automated investing and managing your savings. The great news is that you can link these two services to move money effortlessly, helping you fund your investments or withdraw funds when needed. To get started, make sure you have both a Zelle-enabled bank account and a Betterment account set up. If you don't, head to their respective apps or websites to create one. It's straightforward and free. Step 1. Log into your Betterment account and navigate to the Transfers or Funding section. Here, you'll see options to link external accounts. Select the option to add a bank account and choose Zelle if it's listed, or simply enter your bank's details that support Zelle. Step 2. Once linked, verify the connection. Betterment might send a couple of small test deposits to your bank account. Keep an eye out for those and confirm them in your Betterment dashboard. This step ensures everything is secure and accurate. Now, for the fun part, making a transfer. Go back to the Transfers section in Betterment, select Withdraw or Deposit, and choose your linked Zelle account. Enter the amount you want to move, double-check the details, and hit Confirm. Zelle typically processes transfers almost instantly, so your money could be on its way in no time. A few tips to keep in mind. Always verify recipient details to avoid errors, and remember that Zelle works best with participating banks, so check compatibility first. Also, be aware of any fees or limits set by your bank or Betterment. There you have it. That's how you can easily use Zelle with Betterment to manage your finances like a pro. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.